Okay, so this is, as promised, a little run through of how to basically do your badges, which we'll be doing for Elf Academy. So, first of all, we'll go through the bits and pieces that you will need and will have there already. So you get a little cutout. There won't be of Brent Geese, the only ones I can find. They'll obviously be Christmas related. So we have our little cutout sheet. It'll look similar to this, but there'll be a little Christmas picture in the middle of it. You've got your cutting tool. Right, your cutting board, so you don't damage the table. And then on the badge front, you have your little backing, you have your little clear perspex bit that goes across the top of it, and then you have the back of your badge. And here is the badge making machine itself. So I'm just going to run through very briefly what we've got to do with this. The first thing you'd want to do is you want to help the kids to cut out the picture. So we set it down on the board. We tried looking at the center of the cutter itself, this bit here, and we try to center it on our picture. Just press down on the knob and forcefully spin it around until, hopefully, it's not the sharpest, but it will hopefully pop out. So there are two sides of this. We'll show you a little image of those separately in a minute. So there's this side of the badge making machine, and then when you push forcibly, there's the other side. We start off with the right hand side exposed. It's the shallow side. And what you're going to do is you're going to first set in the little middle metal bit, which just sits in quite snugly. Then you set your picture on top of it. Doesn't matter, you know, the orientation of the picture, because you can spin things around at a later stage. And then on top of that goes the clear sheet. So the metal bit first, then the picture, and then the little clear bit on top of that. And they sit nice and comfortably in this little bit here. So then what you want to do is you want to push that so it disappears, revealing the other side. Now, this is where you have to grab the handle. You're going to have to do it quite forcibly, so make sure your weight's down on it. And pull the handle down as if serving a pint of beer. Hold it for a minute or two and then let go. Now, when you pull this back round again, hopefully your badge, everything that you built there has disappeared. It's now up inside this. So make sure you resoundingly click. No, sorry, we don't. What we want to do is now put, before this bit disappears, we're going to put the back of the badge in now. The pin bit must go face down into this, all right? And the back bit that you want the badge to adhere to is facing up the way. Again, orientation doesn't matter because you can spin it around. And make sure that the pin bit is going face down. Then we push it this way, click it the other way, and again, pull down. Quite forcibly, you need to hold it, and then let go. And what you should then have when you click it back out is your badge, okay? Now, when you turn around, you go, oh no! If they put it on that way, it'll be upside down. But what you can do is spin it. Just grab onto it, spin it around until the orientation is correct. That is your badge, ready to go. So fairly simple. Good luck.